with me. My name is Yuliyanto. I will make tutorial how to make iced coffee. Step 1. Prepare tools and material.
Water 200 ml.
Oh, bisa saya.
Spoon.
After preparing tools and material, next step, provide a coffee cup. This is a coffee cup. Next step, take coffee sachet. This is coffee sachet. Then, open coffee sachet with slit door at the top there. Next, pour into coffee powder in the coffee cup. Okay. Next step, input water in the coffee cup to 100 ml. Water. Next step, then stir without the teaspoon with until mixed. Okay. Next step, then add 6 seed ice cube. Ice cube. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next, wait until cold 1 minute. Okay. Next, after wait 1 minute, next step, close the coffee cup. Okay. Next, put in a straw in the coffee cup. Okay. Iced coffee ready to drink. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.